Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 28th of March, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since March 24, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.44. Let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -14.38%. This translates to an average loss of -2.88% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 6.4% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 6.4% and 50.06%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -2.29%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from -7.16% to 85.76% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $3.48 and $6.97. Our latest daily update for NIO features the headline, "A very red day for NIO stock price after a decline of 5.78% during the Friday trading session." The NIO stock price fell by 5.78% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 28th of March, 2025. Dropping from $3.98 to $3.75. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. Throughout the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.23%, ranging from a low of $3.73 to a high of $3.93. Notably, the price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decline of 23.47% during this period. Interestingly, trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is a positive indicator, as volume typically follows price trends. On the last trading day, the volume fell by 78 million shares, with a total of 78 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $294 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $7.71, while the lowest price was $3.61. Currently, the price stands 51.36%, or $3.96, below the 52-week high, and 94.40%, or $63.24, below the all-time high reached on January 11, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO Inc. is navigating a complex landscape as it seeks to solidify its position as a leading player in the global electric vehicle market. Recently, NIO announced a significant capital raise of approximately $4.03 billion Hong Kong dollars through a share offering aimed at funding research and development initiatives. This move, while positioning NIO for long-term growth, has led to short-term stock price fluctuations, contributing to its recent dip in the market. Additionally, a recent quarterly report indicated that NIO's results fell short of analyst expectations, spotlighting challenges in margins and a need to significantly ramp up deliveries. Despite such setbacks, analysts project a potential upside for NIO's stock, with a 1-year price target suggesting over 35% growth. Long-term forecasts indicate that if the company succeeds in expanding its product lineup and increasing market penetration, it could see substantial appreciation. For instance, anticipated revenue growth of 60% in 2025 could lead to a long-term stock price reaching $25.89 by 2030, representing a staggering 519% increase from current levels. NIO's focus on innovative battery technologies and international expansion, particularly into European markets, strengthens its growth narrative. Still, external factors such as rising tariffs and increased competition could impact overall investor sentiment and stock performance. Thus, while NIO faces immediate hurdles, its long-term outlook remains promising if it effectively leverages its growing market share and addresses operational inefficiencies. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On the same day, it was also reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, Morgan Stanley also assigned NIO an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a rating of strong sell for the stock. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The NIO stock is presenting sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. When there are upward corrections, resistance will likely be encountered at levels of $4.28 and $4.49. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 11, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 28.16%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 2 weeks ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 2 weeks ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal just over a week ago. The long-term moving average has also shown a sell signal just under a week ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages pointed to a buy signal 3 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal just under a week ago. The long-term moving average also signaled a sell just under a week ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock is characterized by considerable daily movement, showing high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band indicates that it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.195 between its highest and lowest points, which represents an increase of 5.23%. During the past week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 4.45%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative TE ratios may signal insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 5th of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -13 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.98. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could represent a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. conducted an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is NIO stock a good buy? Currently, NIO stock presents several negative indicators, and despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that NIO will likely perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, our assessment of this stock remains negative. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 31st of March, we expect NIO to open higher by approximately 5 cents and begin trading at $3.80. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best wishes from all of us here at Stock Invest.